I'm Paul. I'm a professional photographer and a drone pilot. So I've shot all over the world, from the deserts of Morocco to the beautiful blue oceans in Malta, but now I'm based in London, making property images, people images, photographing weddings. But what I really like is being out here in the outdoors. Just listen for a minute and you can hear all the birds. Being silent is quite nice. I like looking at the colours. Oh, we've got different colours on silver birch trees. We've got different colours in the trees here. Shadows, shapes. Mother Nature. Art is everywhere. You can make images everywhere. You just have to go out and look for it. My passion is travel photography. I love going somewhere, exploring, seeing what I can find to make a picture look different, looking at the ordinary and making it extraordinary. So here, in this YouTube, I want to share with you some hints, tips, tricks, just things that I have learned and failed with and practiced time and time again to give to you so that you can make more stunning images and you can improve your photography. Photography is awesome, just get out there and do it.